Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is Moonwillow Beauty. And today I'm going to be doing my February favorites video as was requested by you guys on my Instagram. I put a poll in my stories and the options were February favorites or product empties, and February favorites obviously won. If you voted for product empties, don't worry because that video will be coming to you on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Central. But if you want to see what I have at the top of my list for this month, please keep on watching. First thing that I want to share with you guys is not a product, but rather a new technique that I've learned, and that is to apply your highlight powder with a damp beauty sponge. I learned this from Raw Beauty Christie. She said she learned it from Jaclyn Hill. It blends your highlight into your skin like butter, and the payoff is just blinding. If you haven't tried this, try it out and let me know what you think about this technique in the comments down below. Do you like your highlight blinding, or do you like a natural glow from within? I use this technique to apply my highlight today. I'm not sure how well it's showing up on camera, but ever since I started doing this technique, I've been doing it the same way every time. I've not gone back to using one of these fan brushes or even like a really fluffy brush for highlight. This is my new favorite way to do it, and I would recommend you all try it because the blend is perfect, like I said, and your highlight just stays blinding all day. My next favorite for this month is the song The Night We Met by Lord Huron, and I was lucky enough to have this song recommended to me on my Spotify Premium. It is not a new song. It was released in 2015, but it is new to me. If you love artists like the Lumineers, Vance Joy, James Bay, then you will love this beautiful and haunting song, and I will link it in the description box in case you want to give it a listen. One last mention before I get into the products that I've been loving, and that is a movie that I have been loving to watch with my 2-year-old son, and that is Finding Dory. This movie was recently released onto Netflix, and it is funny, it's witty, it's educational and inspirational, and me and my son get a great laugh every time we watch it, which has been about 1,000 times over the last month. So if you haven't seen it already and you love kids movies or you have kids of your own, make sure that you give it a watch. So the first product that I want to mention is this Osis Plus Volume Up Volume Booster Spray. As you can see, I recently got my hair cut very short. I had mentioned before that I have very thin and fine hair, and when it's long, it's very flat. I've had short hair like this before, and it's actually how I feel most comfortable, and I actually purchased this for $20 when I got my hair cut, and I've been absolutely loving it. It helps to lift your hair at the root to give you extra volume. The hold is a medium hold. It is very flexible. It's not crunchy, and the best part about it is the smell is just divine. It smells so good, I can't even describe it. So if you have a short hairstyle like me, or even just want a little extra va-va-voom, you can definitely give this one a go. I think for a product that is not necessarily drugstore, the price of $20 is not too bad at all. My favorite skincare product for this month has been this. This is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant, and I have the trial size, which contains 13 grams of product, and it cost me $15 Canadian. The full size is $78 Canadian. This exfoliant is made with rice mineral. It is safe to use daily, and it helps to brighten your skin, smooth your skin, eliminate discoloration. So like if you have hyperpigmentation, it calms your skin and it reduces the appearance of pores. I swear by this stuff. I have been using it for probably 8 years now, and I would recommend Dermalogica products to anybody. If you haven't tried it, pick up a trial size, see if you like it, and go from there. But I believe this product to be absolutely stunning. I have been loving the Nivea Karen Diamonds Body Wash. This has a diamond shimmer and a calla lily scent. It is soft and gentle and indulgent for your skin. It helps you stay moisturized and it doesn't leave a nasty film on your skin. And the best part is, like, you get this huge bottle, 500 milliliters, and I think this cost me like less than $5, and it lasts forever. So, and you know, the calla lily scent is so soft but fresh. Like, it just makes you feel so good after you get out of the shower, and you just have that really light scent on you and clean feeling and moisturized. So if you've never tried this one before, definitely give it a go. Look for it at your local drugstore. It's definitely worth the less than $5. I buy this line all the time and would 100% recommend this one. Next, I have the Sephora Collection Everyday Iconic Eye Brush, and this is the rounded crease brush. I love this brush. Its bristles are so soft, and it just is the perfect size and weight to comfortably get right in your crease and blend out any sort of color that you want. This came with 4 more brushes in the Everyday Iconic 5-piece set, and I purchased the set when it was on sale. I believe it was back in October, and I believe I paid maybe $26 for the set of 5 brushes and a nice pleather carrying pouch. So if you can still get your hands on these brushes from Sephora, please make sure you check them out. This is one of my favorite crease brushes right now. I mentioned this product in my last video. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and as you can see, I'm definitely almost out. This is the travel size of the primer water, and this costs $20 Canadian. I will most definitely be picking up the full size, which is $40 Canadian, because this stuff is just so gorgeous. It's silicone free, alcohol free, oil free, and it can be used as a primer, it can be used as a setting spray, and it can also just be used as a refreshing spray, which is my favorite way to use it. It's basically just leaves you feeling moisturized and hydrated, and it just is so soft and I don't even know what word to use. It just makes you feel refreshed and comfortable, and if you've been wearing your makeup for a while, it's nice to spritz some of this on and sort of get rid of that heavy feeling on your skin. So that's what I love to use it for. Definitely check out the Primer Water by Smashbox if you haven't already. I have been doing a lot of warm toned looks this month, and one of my favorite highlights has been this one right here, and that is the Smashbox Spotlight palette. It's the pearl finish, and that's the shade Turn It On. As you can see, it's sort of a very light, I don't want to call it champagne. I would say it's more of a really light gold shade, and it looks just so beautiful with really warm toned looks. I have the travel size of the Spotlight palette, and I've had this now since I want to say early October, and I use it all the time, and I haven't even come close to hitting pan. So if you get the full-size version, it's going to last you forever. I don't think you can get these travel size ones just on a regular basis. I got it as part of a holiday set. But if you can get your hands on it, the Spotlight Highlighting Palette by Smashbox is gorgeous. And my favorite shade has been Turn It On. My last favorite for this month is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm a little late to this game because by now everybody and their mother owns this palette, but there's a good reason why that is the case. This palette is absolutely stunning. You have every shade you need in here to create any sort of look that you want. You get 35 shades. With the new packaging, the shade names are on the back. You open it up. There's a little message from Jaclyn Hill here, and these are what the shades look like. I'm sure that you've all seen this before. You get absolutely stunning matte shimmers. They're so easy to work with, buttery and blendable. So if you haven't already, make sure that you get your hands on this palette before you can't anymore, because it's absolutely gorgeous. You need this palette. Well, you guys, that's it for my favorites this month. I hope that you enjoyed my video. Let me know in the comments section down below which one of my favorites is one of your favorites too. Or if you have different favorites, you can definitely feel free to share those with me as well. If you haven't already, please follow the link in my description and enter my giveaway because it's a good one and you don't want to miss it. There's only 2 weeks left to enter. It ends on March 17th at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time, and that is 2 weeks from now, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day at 11:59 p.m. Thank you all so much again for being here and for supporting me. I love you guys with all my heart, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.